Hey everyone, I hope you guys had a great trading day. Today was a lot better than that nightmare that we had, at least for me, last week. Gosh, that was the worst week I've ever had. Oh my gosh. So anyway, here is the last trade that I just took. I just posted this on X and just wanted to go over this with you guys again. I've got my 15-minute imbalance area marked up, and if I jump to the 5, I wanted to see if it would come down and go through it this time or continue on. And since we got that rejection again, obviously you guys know from the, or maybe some of you don't know, but from the MMXM course, if you reject off a key area like the 15, like the hour, 4 hour, then you go back to the time frame alignment times. So since I rejected off the 15, now we're going to go back to the 1 for the entry, and also the 1 should complete that market maker buy and sell model, just whichever one you're in. So we had the sell side come down, and then since we rejected off the 15, didn't go through it, we're going to look to buy back up, and that completes that market maker buy and sell model right there. So if you guys have been following me for a while, let me go back to the 15 here. My markups may look a little bit different from yours, but I primarily mark up and focus on the hour and the 4 hour imbalances. And this is why I was able to take this first one this morning that came up and just tapped this 4 hour, and we'll be on the 15, and then started down. So that was right here. I saw a lot of people on X that took this same trade. Some people are using inverse fair value gaps. Some people are using, whatever strategy that they've got that they're using. You can see here I potentially marked out standard deviations off this order block here. But basically, I've been, just since I've taken that MMXM course, I'm really focusing on, I guess you can really call it, reversals almost, because if it rejects off an area, a key area, then I'm going to switch to the time frame alignment and basically frame my trade off of that. So, and that's why I said, if you saw my post on Twitter earlier on X, you saw me mention my trade was from up here and I got out here, but I said it would possibly come down to that 124 area, and sure enough, it kind of took all day, but it did come down and get it, and that completes the buy and sell model on the 15-minute time frame. Again, because we rejected off the 4. So it's based on time frame alignment. There's so many videos now that are coming out with that information, but it's 4 hour, 15-minute, and then 1 minute, and then you got your hourly, daily, and then 5-minute. So again, earlier with this trade right before the market closed, we reject off the 15, time frame alignment is 1, and so that's why you got this 1 minute sell. Basically, in this case, it's a sell and then a buy model back up on the right side. So anyway, just wanted to put a video out. It's been a little bit of time before I've had a chance to sit down and make one. But you guys, I think those of you that have been following me for a while, you kind of know what I've been doing and how I mark up my charts. And this is what I do daily. Of course, last night, it running all through London and the craziness that happened then kind of really threw off today. But again, even though it did that, today it gave some beautiful setups. And I'm hoping the rest of the week continues to be like this. I know we've got FOMC on Wednesday, and then hopefully the rest of the week should be pretty smooth. I'll be a little cautious tomorrow since it's the day before that, and then we'll just kind of see how things play out. But anyway, just want to give you guys kind of a look at my charts here. I guess I'm turning into more of a, I can catch the trend, but more of a reversal guy, because if it bounces off these areas I've got marked up, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 15, then I like to frame a trade based off of that. And then of course, we've also got, if it comes down and smacks a previous day low or a previous day high, then sorry, I'm thinking of something else here. And then we'll frame a trade off of that. Let me see if I've got my, I don't have that indicator here. I should look at the daily here for a second. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. I got so much stuff in here. This is where it gets a little wild. When I go to the higher time frames, there's crap everywhere. Let me take this off right here. This is the daily. Look at that. There's the daily fair value gap right here. Look how it came down and slammed through it and then went back up. I should have marked this area out in a different color. But I noticed this earlier when I was on the charts here. Let me go back to, let me say the 5. And then I had all of these guys marked up, and I noticed as I was looking at the candles, I was watching it come down, and then I watching it come back up, and I was like, this is crazy. The other thing I posted also is, and again, it's from the MMXM course, is I saw the formation and the setup on Friday, and that is this pattern right here. We got one to the left, one to the right. In that course, he talks about the 4th day and the 5th day being a huge continuation, a huge drop, and to look out for that. So I was anticipating the drop today, like I'd mentioned on X, but again, not the 1,000-point drop that we got overnight in the London session. I mean, that was just crazy. So, but anyway, like I said, if you guys haven't seen that course, go ahead and check it out. It's on YouTube. It's out there. Just type in MMXM course, and you'll see that course. You'll also see the second one. A lot of great information out there, a lot of eye-opening information as well. So, and of course, I'm using the, if you guys are wondering what these, I'm using the higher time frame candles from this guy, Fatty. You can put them all in the chart here to really see kind of what's happening. So anyway, just wanted to talk about the chart layout. Just wanted to talk about the trade that I took, and I hope this information is valuable for you in terms of marking up your charts here. So I try to keep them as clean as I can, and then mark up the 1 hour and the 4 hour here so I can kind of see where we're going potentially. So, all right, you guys have a great rest of your day, rest of your week, and I'll catch you on the next video.